Ooh, Sally Grace. Nope. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog, Life with Diana. Today is Wednesday. Today is all about going to work, getting ready. Today, I'm so happy because it's a sunny day. It's just chill a little bit now, but I'm gonna get ready, show you my outfit, and let's go. Other than that, oh, today I have volleyball with my daughter, and I'm sad because it's the last day. But anyway, I'm gonna think about if I sign her up again or what I can do. But anyways, without further ado, let's go because I'm getting late. Show you outside. Alright. Kind of wet from yesterday. And it looks like it's gonna be a sunny day. Let's do a quick outfit check. Let's see. Today I'm very sporty. I'm gonna have my hat, my black sneakers, my jean, my shorts. I have this cute, I don't know how you call it, top, and then I combine it with this because I don't want it to see over here, and my watch, and I combine the earrings with my green, and a little bit of green from my hat, my hair loose to make it look nice and stylish. And that's basically it for today. Comfy, it's sunny day, so that's gonna be perfect. I have a long day, so I have to be comfortable. So rate it 10 out of 10, 0, 0. Let's go. Comment below. What's your weather today? How is the weather wherever you are? Today for breakfast, I'm having 3 eggs, 3 boiled eggs, and basically that will be it. So today I'm having boiled eggs. I have 3 boiled eggs. My protein. The eggs are the best. I just put salt, and I'm thinking about maybe one banana. That's it. Today I'm chill. I'm not very hungry. Like you know. So I think this is perfect. Yeah. And then I will go to work, and I will let you know how my day goes. Alright guys, I'm in my lunch, but I have a nice surprise for you guys. My daughter came from school and she got good news, right Winnie?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what she got.
Okay.
See what you got.
I got $300.
Oh my god! Where did you get that money? Why?
Because I'm smart.
That's right. My child. Oh my god. Let me see.
Okay.
My daughter came morning her
Okay.
she do good in her test.
I can read it out. Okay, basically, dear June 2026, dear scholar, congratulations. We have administrated the spring round of NWA map testing, and you have demonstrated your ability to meet the expectations and or grow incredibly this year.
Yeah.
Wait, okay. The written norm is the average score among all students. In your grade level, taking this test across the nation, your score means you're performing well, as well, or better than the average student in your grade. And
Wow.
you. Alrighty.
Alright, let's see.
Okay, so this card has $100.
Let me see.
Stop. We not.
Brittany, let me
we're
see.
not thinking the number. We're not thinking numbers.
Yeah, no. I'm just gonna see.
Okay, this says 100.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, right now we are in the volleyball team. and I'm gonna play a game with Brittany. So let's see. This is the place. This is the volleyball court. The parents sit over there in the top, and we have this pause because we come early to enjoy. So now we're gonna play a little bit, and that will be it. Until she got her practice. Now I'm taking a break. My daughter went to buy some drinks. I have water. I'm gonna go get it, but I'm taking a break. And then we're gonna keep playing for the rest of the day until we go home later. Yes! Leave in the comment below what is your favorite sport if you play anything. And yeah, I used to play volleyball when I was younger, so I'm trying to remember my skills. I still have some, but still some of them, I don't play for a long time. But anyways, I'm trying to teach my daughter some of those skills. Plus, she's taking classes, and it's really good to be active and do some type of exercise or anything fun that make that you enjoy. At the same you enjoy, and at the same time you burn calories. So basically, we're here having fun. Look at this, so nice outside. Now I'm back here taking some fresh air. Look at me, starting race. I'm in the shade. I left my daughter playing inside with her friend. And let me show you, there is a pool over here. Over there is a pool. I can't show much because look, it's a pool, but it's closed. Then we have this little road over here, and over here, and I'm here, sitting right here, chilling myself. So nice, amazing. I love to be in the shade. I love nature. I love it. I love it. I love it. Of course, I'm from the tropical. I'm from Dominican Republic. All the trees, the sun, the light. It's so beautiful. The fresh air. So we gotta be grateful for all the nature we have and take care of it. No garbage, no littering. Taking care of our rivers and sea and everything. Look at this. Oh, look at this wind. Feel it. It feels so nice and refreshing. You hear the birds? Oh my god, this is so nice. What is this branch gonna take my eyes off? Anyways, so I'm enjoying right here. This is so nice. Unfortunately, this is the last day today for the volleyball. If I want to do it, I had to do it again and pay. However, I had to see because my schedule is not matching with their summer program. But anyway, if not, I would just go to the park with her and see what I can do. Or sign her up for anything else, maybe karate, karate, I don't know, something. If you have kids, make sure they are doing something positive, like doing exercise, sports, or anything that keep their mind away from social media and all this bad stuff right now. So yeah, that's basically it. Ooh, that's right. That's right. Alright guys, this is the end of the day. Now we are back home from the volleyball, from work, from everything. I'm just relaxing a little bit before I take a shower, and I even do a little bit of laundry. so I don't accumulate some clothes. And there we go. I hope you guys enjoy. I had so much fun playing with my daughter, and today the weather was amazing. I love it. So I hope you guys like my videos. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And follow me for more daily life with Diana. And see you guys in another video. Bye.